All right, here's a screencast to teach you guys how to screencast for your presentations on Friday. First of all, many thanks to Raymond Cinti, who gave me the technology to be able to do this, because it turns out it's actually complicated to screencast a screencast. So many thanks to Ray for doing this. Okay. Screencasting is actually very, very simple using a software that all of you have. You don't actually need anything fancy. You all have it. It's actually called Quicktime. And so just search for Quicktime. Quicktime, there it is, Quicktime Player. That's it. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And it's going to open Quicktime. You can see in the top corner that it is, top left corner, that it is open. All I have to do is go to File and click New Screen Recording. New screen recording. I'm going to click on that. It's going to give me some options. A little black window pops up, and it's got a little record button in the middle, and you notice down below the microphone is capturing my voice. If you don't have a microphone, there's a little down arrow here that says which microphone you want to be using. So built-in microphone should work best, and you can see that it's all there. You can play with the settings if you need to. When you're ready to start recording and start your screencast, you hit the red record button in the middle, and it gives you an option for either dragging part of the screen or to capture the whole screen. If you just click on this button in the middle that shows the full screen to capture everything. If you want part of the screen, I prefer usually doing full screen. That's not a big problem for me. But if you wanted only part of the screen, let's say there's only half of the screen that showed what you want to show, or for whatever reason you didn't want your tabs in your browser or something like that, you can actually click on your screen and drag just the part that you want to see. And you see that the rest is grayed out. And then when you're ready, you click Start Recording. I'm going to make this the whole thing just so that you can see everything that I see. And I'm going to go ahead and click in the middle, and I'm going to click Start Recording. And so now you can see that it has begun to record. The stop button's in the middle. The time is moving up, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds long, and the megabytes are going up pretty quickly as well. So it's recording everything that my mouse is doing, and it's recording everything my voice is saying. So I'm actually getting a screencast of this screencast. The longer you speak and the longer the screencast, the bigger the file is. They can be actually enormous. Right now we've been going for 30 seconds and it's already at 20 megabytes. So that's pretty big. And especially if you're going to be talking for half an hour, 50 minutes and capturing your entire presentation, you're going to want to be aware that it's going to be a really big file when you end up. But what this does, this little black box is invisible to QuickTime. You can see QuickTime can see everything behind it, but it won't actually show the little black box. And then you just start doing your presentation and talking. Let's say I wanted to go open Firefox. I click on Firefox. Here's the window. I can start navigating to things. I can click on tabs, and it's simply recording everything that I'm saying and everything that I'm doing. If you find that the little black screen is in your way or is annoying to you, go ahead and click on the yellow minimize button. It'll shrink it down to the bottom of your screen. And otherwise, it's invisible for your final product, but if it gets in your way, that's fine. And you just kind of navigate, right? I'm going to go ahead and click on Stuart Hall, Convent of the Sacred Heart. I'm looking at pictures. Hey, look at that, look at that, look at that. And that's my presentation, right? So it's recording everything. When I'm ready to be done, I go back to the little black box, and I go ahead and hit stop, and it's finishing. And now it opens up a window that's got my video, right? Here it is. Here's my video starting with this screen. If I want to, I can hit play and watch and listen to myself. Begun to record. The stop button's in the middle. The time is moving up, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice that the black box is in fact invisible. That's kind of cool. And if you need to, you can end up throwing this document into iMovie or something else to actually edit it and make it the length that you want. Or if you screw up in the middle of it, you can edit all that stuff out. For these presentations, that's not really what you need to do. Right now, we're just looking to capture the presentations and archive them so that if people want to go to presentations that they missed, we'll have an archive of all of that. So to save this, right now it's just saved as untitled. That's not good. So I want to save this. I'm going to click on just the red quit button, right? I want to quit out the screen, and it's going to say, wait, you need to save it. So I'm going to save it as Stafford Screencast. I'm going to save it to my desktop. It saves it as a .move, which is kind of a really simple, very straightforward, kind of universally accepted format. I'm going to click Save, and bam, it's done. And so I can find it later on my desktop. Now this is Ray's desktop, so I'm not really, here it is, Stafford Screencast.move. There it is. So I've got it right there, and I can eventually get it to Howard and the others who will be able to have one place where all of these movies can live. So good luck with your presentations. Good luck with your screencasting. Again, QuickTime is a very, very simple, very, very straightforward way of capturing your voice and your screen all at the same time. All right, thank you.